Good morning. It is Monday, March 31st, 2025. We hope everyone had a nice weekend. Weather was pretty nice here again in Charleston. I've got the pollen allergies, definitely sneezing a lot, but I guess it's that time of year. Importantly, I've got a much needed haircut today. I know hockey playoffs are right around the corner, but like this mullet is getting a little bit out of control. So when my kids start making fun of my hair, that's when it's time for dad to get a haircut. But another nice week of reviews last week. For those of you, in terms of action items, we really want to try to tackle some of these outstanding action items in the next few weeks. So be on the lookout for some emails, some nudges to start tackling a few of the things that we discussed in this season's reviews, which had just been great. Looking at markets last week, so the PCE, so the Fed's preferred inflation metric, came in basically in line. Yet another week of international outperformance for equity markets. Get this, international benchmarks are now outperforming the NASDAQ by 20% this year, just this quarter. So you have the NASDAQ now down 10% for the year for 2025. International benchmarks still hovering right around 10% higher. So 20% outperformance in just 3 months of the year here. You see companies like NVIDIA, which we discussed a lot kind of in this season's reviews, just particularly we walked through that slide on historical valuations and just kind of the difference in where international indices kind of their price to book value relative to like US markets. And NVIDIA is a great example just on an individual company basis where it wasn't that long ago it was trading high 150s, close to $160 a share. This morning it's at 105. All right, so major drawdown. And I guess the main point there on a company like NVIDIA is like the price you pay matters. A company can be excellently run, it could be hitting on all cylinders, but the price you pay matters, because at some point valuations are going to they're going to matter, and so just a nice little example there. Last week, coming out of the White House, a new 25% tariff on auto imports. Okay, I'm going to kind of wait just because April 2nd, which is Wednesday this week, is where we're supposed to get hopefully a bunch more clarity on the tariffs, right? So it was kind of, there were some rumors, some whispers that maybe not all countries would be involved, and now maybe they are. So just a lot of kind of uncertainty and the everything that I've read. So it sounds like April 2nd's the big day. So I kind of want to hold off on some of the tariff commentary until next Monday's video, just because hopefully then we have some more concrete information. So we'll see. Also interesting this week is going to be the jobs report, right? So we receive it'll be the March employment report that we'll get this Friday. Expectation is 140,000 new jobs for the month of March. Importantly, the Doge-related layoffs are not expected to hit the tape until next month. So I guess maybe April's number will be even more interesting, but we'll see. Questions, comments, concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. And we hope everyone has a great week. Thanks.